Hey guys, welcome back to Baking with Briony. Today is another funny one. Is it baking? Because we don't bake it, but anyway, we're making a spread today. Yesterday I ran out of my Biscoff spread and it made me really sad. And quite often I find in the store you only really see the smooth stuff and we like crunchy Biscoff spread. So I'm gonna try and make it today. The recipe I found online, I've written it down so we can follow the instructions. So, to start with, we're gonna add 10 cookies to this blender. We've got 10 cookies in the blender and then I've kept 2 aside to mix it at the end so that hopefully that makes it the crunchy stuff. Then what we do is we add some cinnamon. That is 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And now we're just gonna blitz it until they're all broken. Right, they're all broken up, which is good. Next we add evaporated milk. And I don't have any evaporated milk. I only have condensed milk. And from what I googled, it just means that this is thicker and sweeter. So I'm sure it's fine. Look, this is a series where I learn to bake and this is how I bake. So I've got to learn how to bake when I've always got the wrong things. So it's 3 of these. Now we blend this until it is smooth. I don't know what's defined as smooth, because this has still got like a lot of bits in it, but it's definitely combined. I know, I'll give it another blitz just in case. Oh, that's definitely smoother. Maybe I should do it a bit more. Okay, maybe I'll do it a bit more. It's like forming like a dough. Oh, that's so much smoother. Wow. Okay, a little bit more. It's kind of like a fudge consistency. Cool. Okay. Now, add vanilla extract and butter and blend for 30 seconds. 1/2 teaspoon. Specifically it says you have to use softened butter because if it takes too long to combine it, then apparently it will split. And the recipe says it takes between 30 and 60 seconds. So I'm probably gonna do it for 30 seconds and see how it is, and maybe add in the rest of the cookies. But we'll see. Okay, so unfortunately my mic messed up here and all you could hear was my hair that wanted to be the star of the show. But basically, I blitzed this for 30 seconds and as you can see, it does not look combined at all. But I didn't really know what to do, so I added more cookies and then I blitzed it again and hope for the best. Okay, it's been about a minute. Ooh. I don't know. Maybe. I feel like I should try it, but it's really missing something. It's not sweet, weirdly. I'll add some more of this. In this bit, I added some condensed milk and some cinnamon sugar just to try and add some sweetness because it's missing that caramel taste that Biscoff usually has, and I hope this would help. A teensy weensy bit of cinnamon sugar. Let's give it a go. It's definitely better, but it still needs to be sweeter. Oopsie, I did a bit too much for this one. It'll be fine. I feel like at this point I shouldn't really blend it anymore, I should just mix it. So maybe I should put it into a container so I can do so. Then I can have a play around with flavors. I wonder if I should have just added more cookies, because I will admit I didn't have 10 cookies, so I added a couple of graham crackers. So maybe that's it. That actually, in reality, that is it, isn't it? I'm just trying to recreate the flavor the best I can. Okay, this and a little bit more cinnamon sugar. Let's try it. Way better. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it like that, because I think that's good. So I just need to add more sweetness, so more condensed milk. I probably didn't need to add the molasses, but like more cinnamon sugar, more condensed milk and a bit more vanilla, and I think that was it. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge now for about half an hour so that it can firm up. But you could also apparently have it at this consistency. You've got to keep it in the fridge just because of the condensed milk. But if you like it at a thinner consistency, then you can take it out, I think, like half an hour before, or even 10 minutes before you want it, just so it softens a bit, but I like it thick. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching me make my first ever spread. It was very fun. I do think that the recipe was fine. Any issues were entirely down to me and not having the right ingredients, but I'm starting to realize that I think these baking videos are really where I substitute a lot of ingredients and see if they work. I'm sure at some point I'll have all the right ingredients and everything will be fine. Some of them I really don't have. It's just, I think it might be a theme throughout a few of them, which is fine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more, head over to my channel. You'll see there's quite a few more. I'm also gonna put a link to my last video at the end of this video and in the description. And then my husband and I have a vlogging channel. So I'll put a link to that because it's fun. We've got a dog. We just go out and do mostly just random daily life things, which is always nice to watch. It's kind of comforting. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye. It is the next day. I went out to get some more Biscoff cookies so that I could mix them in and make it like a crunchy one. And it does not soften after 10 minutes out of the fridge. It took like an hour out of the fridge before it was soft. So that's a note. But again, probably user error for using condensed milk instead of evaporated milk. But now I've got more cookies. I'm probably just going to try it again.